Hi everybody, welcome back to my channel Swami Vijay. This is Swami Vijay speaking to all. Today we are going for 100 kilometers ride. Last time we tried 80 kilometers ride successfully and completed also successfully. Today we are going for 100 kilometers ride. This is first time we are going for 100 kilometers ride. So let us begin the ride without any delay. Almost all 25 kilometers completed. We are near the toll plaza and I am waiting for my son. As soon as he come, then we'll take some food, we'll fuel ourselves, then we'll start the ride again. 75 kilometers more. Yesterday when I checked my bike around 8:30 last night, the tire was punctured, so we repaired, we changed the tube and then somehow we managed to fix the wheel, back wheel. And today we are here. Let me complete 100 kilometers ride today. Now let us complete remaining part of ride. Hi, completed 50 kilometers right now. Now I have to go back. Here you can see 50 kilometers. Hatamadiya, 5-10 kilometers. Bagapalli, 44 kilometers. So let me take a break. Let me eat some energy bar and then let me drink some. Let me fuel properly and then again I have to go back for 50 more kilometers. Almost all very close to Chikbalapur road. Here you can see the road, energy bar, and this is Red Bull. You have to fuel yourself, eat. Red Bull energy drink. We have to fuel properly, otherwise 100 kilometers ride is not technically possible. So drink well, eat well when you are doing long ride. Nandi Hills, I suppose this is Nandi Hills. You can see Nandi Hills here. So now I have to go back. My son is waiting for me. Then once I catch him, once I meet him, then again I start shooting video. Let us go. We have completed 60 kilometers so far. Still 40 more kilometers we have to go. You can see here in the I hope you can see here. It's still 40.62 kilometers. 40.62 kilometers still we have to go, and almost all 2 hours 35 minutes we have completed riding, and 59.44 kilometers we have completed. So 40 more kilometers yet to go. Here you can see my son is riding Rock Rider. He is almost all too heavy compared to Triben, but still he has covered the 60 km distance successfully. If you are using Rock Rider for long distance, it may be little heavy, but if you have strong willpower, you can easily complete long distance rides using Rock Rider also. Almost all we are very close to Chikbalapur. You can see here the traffic here. Bangalore 35 kilometers. I hope you can see. I can easily climb heights because Triben is a gear cycle. It has gears, but my son who is riding Rock Rider is a single speed, so he is struggling, but he is strong. He can do it. You can see here how much he is struggling to climb. It's a single speed cycle, Rock Rider. If you are strong, willpower, physically, mentally, you can do this. Come on, Benny, come on. Good, good. Continue, continue, continue. Let me follow him. It's slightly raining. It's drizzling, cloudy, but we are enjoying the ride.
able to maintain proper pace, struggling. Have to refuel. There is the option. I need to search. I need to find a place to stop and then restart. Take a stop here. How are you feeling, Bunny? So we are carrying energy bars. Lots and lots of energy bars we are carrying. So we have to eat energy bars after 20-25 kilometers, and we are hydrating ourselves also very properly, and even we have Red Bull also. Carrying energy drink. So we are having Red Bull. So let us drink Red Bull and rehydrate ourselves and replenish ourselves, and then we'll restart this journey again.
Kilometers completed so far, 10 more kilometers more, and battery is 33% in this mobile. So I'm shooting this, and I'm also waiting for my son. Once we reach, we'll join together, and then we are going to complete the 10 kilometers ride. So I'm going to recharge this mobile phone, otherwise I may not record the 100 kilometers ride officially. So after completion of the ride, I'll talk to you again. This is Jaipur flyover. You can see here, I am waiting for my son. Here, Jaipur flyover. Ten more kilometers to go, and he is refueling. 10 more kilometers. It's too difficult. 90 kilometers we have completed, and I have been waiting for him for more than 10 minutes. So I am relaxed. I am ready, but he has to take at least 5 minutes break. Then only we can start. Varunji, take 5 minutes break. Then we'll start. So we have successfully completed 100 kilometers ride. To complete 100 kilometers ride, it's not a big task. It's nothing impossible. If I could do 100 kilometers ride at the age of 40, you can easily do that. It needs strong determination, strong willpower, physically and mentally strong. If you still have not yet subscribed to my channel, please subscribe to my channel, Press the bell notification so that you can receive latest updates of the videos the moment I upload my videos on YouTube. Thanks for watching this video. Stay connected with me. Stay home, stay safe, and stay strong.